Grex fine wire staplers available for all major staple types. The 80 series staple is ideally suited to looser, lighter fabrics and all kinds of general upholstery work, and it fits the Grex 80ADLNS long nose stapler. Simple, effective design is reliable and easy to maintain. Like all Grex products, this model has the metal construction you expect in an industrial quality tool. Easy threaded access to all major internal parts. Exceptionally lightweight piston and driver pin delivers fast cycling times and rapid firing rates for maximum productivity. The extended nose design reaches into tight places and is also ideal for tufting. The wide profile of the 80 series staple is ideal for lighter fabrics and open weaves. The rear-facing exhaust port means more comfortable operation. The slim profile and compact rounded body design delivers maximum visibility of the work area. Easy to operate lever-style magazine latch with drop-in staple loading means faster reloads, and the textured rubber grip provides all-day comfort.